All right, fam, we got a whole bunch of stuff to get into, so let's do it as quickly as we possibly can. I personally have been waiting on these to come back in stock over at Amazon ever since Torque Test Channel did a review on these things, and they ended up being just as good as the Knipex, whatever. The point is $28 for 3 adjustable grooved pliers that are really, really good. Not bad. I will leave a link to this in the description. And if you guys actually want the good stuff, the very expensive stuff, guaranteed to not be misplaced because they are very pricey. There is an all-time, well, I'm not entirely sure if it's an all-time low, but it is a very cheap price, 118 bucks for the 3-piece set, the 6, 7-inch, and the 10-inch. These are the wrench, not the grooved teeth pliers, you know, for car work and stuff like that. Link for this will be in the description down below as well. Now, let's get into the Home Depot holiday stuff because there's a whole bunch. And I'm sorry if I miss anything. We'll get into the rest of the stuff in another video if I did miss anything at all. But these are the deals that I think are definitely worth taking a look at. First of all, there is a very big buy more, save more on Packout stuff. Now, if you spend $1.99, you get $50 off, which that'll be super easy to hit. And if you spend $2.99, you get $90 off. That's what you're going to want to do because that is almost 30% off there. That's pretty decent when it comes to Packouts. Included is the 3-drawer box, the small parts organizer, the low profile impact, the crate, the deep organizer. That thing is pretty nice, I must say. The deep organizer, the 2-drawer toolbox, large toolbox, small toolbox, the XL. Wow, they even threw in the rolling tool chest. That's pretty nice. I wonder if they have the first aid kit on here, the large cooler, the tool tray, which I have a review on. Go check that out. Packouts definitely take a beating. I give it one in that video. In fact, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below as well. Let's go ahead and see how this stacks out. No pun intended. Let's do the large toolbox since it's $229, and then we'll add something right around 80 bucks. Here we go. That'll put us over. Let's check the cart. Let's see those totals. That brings the price of the rolling toolbox down to $162 if you return the medium toolbox there. I know it says medium, but that's really small. They shouldn't call it medium. Now, and you guys are going to see a whole lot of problems with all of the stuff, the Dewalt stuff, the Milwaukee stuff, because these starter kits just went live literally a few minutes ago. But this kit does include the 4 and the 6. You got a free gift with purchase here. The radio, the grinder, probably take a pass on that. The brushless circ saw, solid circ saw, that's in my go-to bag. The XR oscillating tool, you know, that's tried and true. It's very old, but I wouldn't waste my discount on that. The router, you know, that thing's going to sell out pretty quick. The new XR recip, it's decent. And my favorite jigsaw, that's in my go-to bag as well. Ooh, the cutoff tool, that will sell out guaranteed. The blower, pretty decent. The atomic bandsaw, that's decent as well. The atomic SDS, I actually have one of those, and I really got to get around and make a review on it. It's really, really good for small holes for things like Tapcons and things like that. Anyway, and if you guys are just after the batteries themselves, then do something like the atomic impact wrench or the router there. But of course, those are going to sell out anyway. Let's go ahead and do the pricing on the router and see what that comes down to. This is, by the way, in my opinion, the best router on the market, cordless anyway. 113 $120 for the battery set. That's not bad. I think we've seen this cheaper in the past. If you guys find a glitch or a cheap battery kit at a certain zip code, let me know so that we can all take advantage. Now this one comes over from Philly Fix, my boy Jim. He found a really good price on this 1/2-inch Ryobi hammer drill. I know, Ryobi, whatever. The point is, 2 batteries, they're good batteries, and it's a brushless hammer drill, so not bad at all. Free gift with purchase, you get the 1/4-inch impact driver, not wrench, the long reach brushless ratchet, you know, for when you got to reach stuff. The high torque, that's not bad at all. The brushless 7 1/4-inch circ saw, blade right. I really hate blade right, but it's there if you need it. I think the high torque is going to be the best bang for your buck there if you want the high torque or the hammer drill kit, or both, you know, I don't know. I'm not your mother. That brings the price of the hammer drill kit down to $66 and the high torque to $92. That is solid. This one, even if you're not a Ryobi guy, this will sell out quickly. Finally, we've got to the M18 battery set, just like years past, $199, you know, Milwaukee sees inflation and they're like, huh, come at me, fam. But there are some new additions to the free tool lineup, mainly the cordless inflator $179, that will sell out for sure. Dual bay rapid charger, I'm not entirely sure that I'd waste my money on that. I'm not saying it's bad or anything. If you have a lot of Milwaukee batteries, that's solid, but do I want that as my freebie? No, absolutely not. The grinder, this is the new grinder, I believe, with the e-brake, so pretty solid there. The compact router, that might sell out. This is the OG fuel blower, decent. Not the OG, I think it's Gen 2, but it's okay, so-so. The Jigsaw, the Surge, the Rover. There's a few others that aren't done here, but just like in years past, if you add them to your cart separately, they will work. So let's go ahead and do the highest price item, which, you know, it's any of these 3. We could do the new grinder, add them to the cart. Price breaks down to $99 and $99. Nothing different there, same as previous holidays. And finally, we're going to go ahead and finish up with the M12. These are the new M12, the Gen, what are we at now? Gen 3, Gen 4? I lost count, but you know, it's got the tri-LED beams, the super short. That's the last thing you want to hear, is that you have the shortest tool in the lineup there, but it is new, it is decent. That new M12 hammer drill comes with a 4, comes with a 2, and just like years past, it has this whole drop-down list. There is a glitch on here. I'll show you guys that in a minute, but first let's go ahead and check out free gift with purchase. There's only one selectable. It is the new high output 2.5, so you're going to go ahead and add both of those to the cart, and it's going to break down to $142 for the kit and $56.55 for the battery if you return that. Not entirely sure what you want to do, why you would want to do that, but let's go ahead and, when I was browsing this morning, I noticed that you can add this right here. Now, there's no picture there. The description does show a 2.5, but if you select this option and you screen cap it, I think you have to talk to customer service, but you should be able to get a 5.0 with this kit for $199. That's what it says here. Your mileage may vary. I'm not responsible for any shouting matches you get into with managerial staff, because I'm pretty sure it says 2.5 on here somewhere. I believe Llama Llama was the one who noticed that, but like I said, in the title, oh, right there, it says with the 2.5. But in the drop-down, it shows a 5.0, and there is no picture there. So I will leave a link to this and everything else from Home Depot in the description down below. And as always, if you guys see any glitches or whatever, let me know ASAP. Today is day 1. It is the glitch day. All the new promos should be live by the end of the day. And that's all I got for you guys. Have at it. Good luck.